Okay, I was getting my seatbelt on. It accidentally went, because it's such a small car.
Yeah.
And it went up and wrapped around Vicky's neck. Then she slammed on the brakes and locked it into place. And she's kind of stuck there right now.
Right now.
And there's a car behind us.
Car.
She's got to pull off, and Asian's over here. And bye.
Bye.
But how are you gonna get that off, Vicky?
I don't know.
Like things kind of tight. She's into that too.
Okay, come on. Let's...
I don't. Hey, you're asking me. It's locked. I can't do anything.
Oh, shit.
Put it in park.
You have to recline your seat.
Yeah, you have to recline your seat a little bit. This is funny.
This is not funny. I can't talk.
Recline your seat back. Bring it on.
Just recline your seat.
I can't reach it.
What do you mean you can't?
Well, it's down front. I can't reach it. It's under my legs. It's not an automatic like my Jeep where you push a button.
Hey. I'm so glad that's not me.
It keeps getting tighter.
Come on now. I can't really undo this. Somebody's going to have to go between my legs and put my seat
Getting
down.
out. Okay.
I forgot my knife too.
This is awesome.
It only goes for like 60 seconds.
Let's call 911 just because this
Okay.
is awesome. What is that? Is that a Dodge Charger delivering pizzas? Check that out.
Okay, up or back?
He's not even paying.
Ow! Oh my God! Ow! That was.
Shit.
Oh, good luck.
Seriously?
I just locked more.
Let go.
Oh shit. Here, just take the headrest off.
This is just not funny.
Does this go back?
The seat goes up a little bit.
Wait, no, is there a button?
Back.
Thank you.
I had to hold on to it. That's what happened. It was going in. I held on to it that
It was
time.
going in.
I saved her life.
Oh.
Did you put this live on Facebook?
No,
It should be
I don't.
live.
It should have been, but it won't go because.